Ever wondered why your car tires wear out faster than you'd expect? Is it just bad luck, bad roads, or something you're doing wrong? Stick around because today, we're uncovering the 7 biggest reasons why car tires wear out so quickly. And trust me, number 5 will surprise you. 1. If your wheels aren't perfectly aligned, the tires wear unevenly. This happens when your car hits a pothole, curb, or even due to normal wear and tear. If you've noticed your car pulling to one side, it's time to check your alignment. 2. Both overinflation and underinflation can wreak havoc on your tires. Overinflated tires wear in the middle, while underinflated tires wear on the edges. Always check your tire pressure at least once a month. 3. Hard braking, fast acceleration, and quick lane changes increase friction and wear down the rubber. Smooth, steady driving will not only protect your tires, but also save you money on fuel. 4. Rough roads, potholes, and gravel surfaces tear up your tires faster than smooth highways. If you drive on rough terrain often, consider using all-terrain or more durable tires. 5. Front tires wear out faster because they do most of the turning and braking. Rotating them every 6,000 to 8,000 miles evens out the wear and extends their lifespan. 6. Summer tires on snow, big mistake. If you're driving in winter with summer tires, they'll wear out faster and lose grip. 7. Too much weight in your car increases pressure on the tires, causing them to wear out faster. Check your vehicle's maximum load capacity and avoid overloading it. Here's a bonus tip: get your tires inspected regularly. Spotting issues early, like bulges or cracks, can prevent dangerous blowouts. Prevention is always cheaper than replacement.